Cryptocurrencies have become a monetary revolution. Cryptocurrency investing is one of the best ways to build wealth and fund your retirement. Bitcoin could become a common investment asset. Ownership today is tiny, with far less than 1% of the population owning any cryptocurrency at all. Now is the time to start investing in cryptocurrencies before the mass population starts investing and will bring prices up further. The crypto market is still in its infancy. Get a head start and begin investing today. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of investing in cryptocurrencies. You will learn the basics of how to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You'll find out why crypto exchanges are the best to use. After that, we'll get into the best methods for storing your cryptos, where you'll learn about cryptocurrency wallets. Towards the end of the course, once you have learned the basics of investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, you'll find out some of our top long-term crypto investments for the upcoming year. Bitcoin, the world's most established digital currency, has been on a recent tear. It easily blew past the price of gold as it continues to make new highs year after year. The rise in value that Bitcoin has done in the past several years has become best investment in all of recorded history. Bitcoin has gotten some ringing endorsements from some of the world's smartest minds. Microsoft founder Bill Gates says, "Bitcoin is better than currency." "I think it's fantastic," says 12-term Congressman Ron Paul. Billionaire Richard Branson says, "It's driving a revolution." If you had invested $500 into Bitcoin in 2010, your stake would be worth more than $337 million today. But here's the thing that many investors don't know about digital currency. Bitcoin set a precedent and opened the door for other more specialized digital currencies to emerge. There are a variety of other cryptocurrencies out there that have the potential to make a huge run just like Bitcoin. Bitcoin has paved the way for more than 1,000 of other digital currencies. Dash, Ripple, and one that you've probably heard of, Ethereum, are just a few of the frontrunners. Ethereum is up more than 3,000% in 2017. Can you think of any stocks that have shown even half those gains this year? If you had bought $5,000 worth of Ethereum in March of 2017, it would already be worth over $100,000. Point blank, Ethereum has been one of the best performing investments of 2017. But the fact that you've been hearing and reading about it also means that you've already missed the most explosive gains. The biggest profit potential lies with the ones you don't know about yet. There is a handful of cryptos that I'm pinpointing as the next breakout digital coins, and their value today is just a tiny drop compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum. What makes these new digital coins so appealing? Well, they take what Bitcoin did several steps farther. The technology behind many of these cryptos will very likely become the most important value-bearing commodity of the 21st century, just like gold was for most of human history. Now stop and think for a moment. What would you do if you were able to get in on the ground floor of one of these investments? Would you buy a new car or a house? Would you get a pool and a hot tub built in your backyard? Getting involved in the crypto market is really easy. As a member, you'll learn how easy it is to get involved. This type of investment is perfect for do-it-yourself investors like you and me, people distrustful of big government, Wall Street, and every other bloated institution looming over us today. And that's a big part of why the tech behind Bitcoin is so ingenious. When you use the blockchain, no government, bank, or organization of any kind can snoop on your financial transactions. The technology creates a decentralized public record of financial transactions free from human error or interference. Blockchain technology prevents hacking, fraud, embezzlement, and cooking the books. Your assets are indelibly yours, and no one can change that. You can't even be monitored by the IRS for taxation purposes. Cryptocurrency could revolutionize banking and finance as we know it. It gives us new solutions to old problems. The smartest money in the world is jumping into this market. Many brilliant minds, Bill Gates, Richard Branson, and PayPal founder Peter Thiel, to name a few, are all very optimistic about the future of cryptocurrency. Over the past few years, many people have made millions on the cryptocurrency boom. Like school dropout Eric Finman, for instance. Going off a trip from his brother, he purchased 403 Bitcoins when they were worth just $12. Now those same coins are worth over $2 million. Or former Marine turned Bitcoin entrepreneur Jared Kenna, who bought his first batch of Bitcoin when it was worth a measly 2 cents per coin. He started selling them when they reached $258 per coin. He took his profits and founded several companies in the cryptocurrency space. As amazing as these stories are, the early days of Bitcoin and Ethereum are far behind us. But even as the potential upside of these pioneer digital currencies wanes, new opportunities, more explosive than ever, are opening up. And I'm here to show you how you can join them. Today there are digital coins, cryptocurrencies, that are poised to make the same run as Bitcoin and Ethereum. With more than 1,000 digital currencies following in the footsteps of Bitcoin, I came across many incredible lucrative opportunities. Bitcoin itself was once valued at right around some of these cryptos, at pennies. But Bitcoin was the standout in the first wave of blockchain technology that has slowly been upgraded and perfected over the past several years. Now we are in the second wave of blockchain tech, with bigger opportunities than anything Bitcoin investors could dream of. These second wave cryptocurrencies have unique technology behind them that could end up revolutionizing the way we do business and finance. Now, cryptocurrencies are very different than companies, but the core concept is the same. We want to put our money where the biggest growth potential is. We want to invest in things that will be around for the long haul. That's why I only consider the very best cryptocurrencies for investment. Second wave cryptocurrencies, at least the good ones, all represent new uses of blockchain technology. Here's a quick look at the qualities of a top performer. New ideas. Solves an old problem in a new way. Attainable goals. The developers can make good on their promises. Stage of development. The price has reacted favorably to news, updates, and releases. Utility. Has real-world value. Can be used for more than just trading. Major players. What are governments, banks, billionaires, and financial analysts saying about it? When put through these filters, only a few of the 1,000 digital currencies measure up. Many of them have early ambitious goals or are just copying Bitcoin in the hope of drafting off its success. But the cryptocurrencies that have unique qualities and potential to be picked up by mass markets are already starting to lead the pack. Take, for example, Ripple, up 1,691% in 6 months. Ethereum, up 4,000% in 6 months. Litecoin, up 1,200% in 6 months. These have already hit their stride, and seeing these gains again is unlikely. The potential profits you could reel in are literally unlimited. And here's the thing. I invest in cryptocurrencies in such a way that virtually eliminates the downside risk. How is that possible? Let me explain. I don't ever recommend rolling all of your profits from one play into another. Instead, what I recommend is that after doubling your money, you put your initial investment right back into your savings. So that way, you're only playing with house money. These new cryptocurrencies that I found for you could generate those gains and more. This is like getting in on Bitcoin or Ethereum when it traded under $10. I'm here to help make huge gains in the crypto market. That's why I've put together this incredible offer for you today.